Hi students, this is T. Balakrishna, Chemist Lecture, GPT KOTHAGUDEM. Today our topic is galvanic cell. A cell which electricity generates due to spontaneous oxidation reduction reaction is called galvanic cell or voltaic cell. The cell which is generate the electricity by the spontaneous oxidation reduction reaction is called galvanic cell or voltaic cell. In the cell, the chemical energy is converted to in the cell the chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. So which cell is convert the chemical energy into electrical energy? That cell is called electrochemical cell. So this cell is called as galvanic cell or voltaic cell or electrochemical cell. The cell which generates the electricity by the spontaneous oxidation reduction reaction is called galvanic cell. That means this cell is generate the electricity. It is also called as electrochemical cell. This is the diagram representation. So right, next one, galvanic cell or voltaic cell. We discuss about the construction of galvanic cell or voltaic cell. The galvanic cell consisting of two half cell. Galvanic cell consisting of two half cell. See the diagram. It's consisting of two half cells. In these two half cell, one is called as anodic half cell, another one is called cathodic half cell. So in this cell, it consisting of two half cell. In these two half cell, one is called anodic half cell, another one is a cathodic. Anode half cell and another one is a cathode half cell. So come to the anodic half cell. Anode half cell. In this anodic half cell, zinc rod dipped in aqueous solution of zinc sulfate solution. So it is in first half cell. In this half cell, the zinc rod is dipped in aqueous zinc sulfate solution. The one rod, metal rod is that rod is zinc, is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Come to the second half cell. In the second half cell, copper rod dipped in aqueous solution of copper sulfate solution. It is a second half cell. In this half cell, the copper rod, metal rod dipped in aqueous copper sulfate solution. Is clear? It is consisting of two half cell. In first half cell, zinc rod dipped in aqueous zinc sulfate solution. The second in second half cell, the copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution. Next one, the two metal rods, zinc and copper rods, are connected with a copper wire through the voltmeter. So observe this diagram. It's in a zinc metal rod and this is a copper metal rod. Both are connected by the help of copper wire through the voltmeter. So both are connected by the help of copper wire through the voltmeter. Okay. Next one, the two half cells are linked through a salt bridge. The two half cells are linked. The two half cells are linked through a salt bridge. Linked through a salt bridge. This is a salt bridge. The two half cells are linked through the salt bridge. The two half cells are connected with the copper wire through the voltmeter and also connected linked with the salt bridge. So you observe this. The salt bridge is in a U-shaped tube. The salt bridge is in a U-shaped tube. It contains KCl and ammonium nitrate. KCl or ammonium nitrate. uh, KCl or ammonium nitrate gelatin gel solution. So this tube is filled with KCl chemical or ammonium nitrate chemical. Uh, this is the construction of galvanic cell. This is a construction of galvanic cell. Is it clear? It consisting of two half cell. First half cell is filled with zinc rod in zinc sulfate, and second half cell copper rod in copper sulfate. Both the metals are connected by the help of copper wire through the voltmeter, and salt bridge is dipped in the two solution is linked. The two solutions are linked with salt bridge. Salt bridge in a U-shaped tube. It contains KCl or ammonium nitrate solution. Next, come to the working principle. The zinc and copper rods plates are connected with the copper wire through the voltmeter. The oxidation takes place in the oxidation takes place in uh, this zinc off cell, and reduction takes place in this copper off cell. So my here we got one doubt: why the oxidation takes place in this zinc off cell rather than other than this copper off cell. So zinc is highly reactive than copper. So which metal is highly reactive, that is ready to lose the electron? The zinc is tends to lose the electron more rapidly than copper. So zinc is ready to lose the electron. Losing of the electron is called oxidation. So the oxidation takes place in this part. In which part oxidation is takes place, that part is called anodic oxide. We already learned in electrolytic cell principle. Oxidation takes place at anodic part. So here oxidation is takes place. So this part is called anode. So in which half cell anode is present, that half cell is called anodic half cell. So this half cell is called anodic half cell. So reduction is takes place at uh, second half cell. So here copper is ready to gain the electron. So reduction is takes place in second half cell. So this half cell is called uh, cathodic half cell. Reduction is takes place at second half cell. So this is called cathodic half cell. So this is an anodic half cell. This is a cathodic half cell. Why do we call this an anodic half cell? Oxidation takes place in this half cell. So this is called anodic half cell. Reduction is takes place in this half cell. This is called cathodic half cell. So here anodic. Why do we call this an anodic half cell? So oxidation is takes place. So oxidation is oxidation is takes place. So oxidation means losing of electron. Here zinc is ready to lose the electron. Zinc is ready to lose the electron. Zinc is ready to lose the electron. So zinc is ready to lose the electron. Zinc is converted into oxidation means losing of electron. Zinc is converted to zinc plus 2 by losing of 2 electrons. Zinc is converted to zinc plus 2 by losing of 2 electrons. So oxidation is takes place. So these electrons are transferred from, so zinc is converted to zinc plus 2 by losing of 2 electrons. These electrons are transferred from anodic part to cathodic part by the through the copper wire. These electrons are transferred from anodic part to cathodic part through the copper wire. These electrons are reached to the cathodic half cell. That electrons are gained by copper plus 2 ions which are present in the electrolytic solution. The copper plus 2 gain the 2 electrons is converted to copper. So this is a uh, uh, working principle of galvanic cell. So zinc is converted to zinc plus 2 by losing of electron. That electrons are transferred from anodic part to cathodic part to the copper wire, and it reaches to the cathodic part. The copper plus 2 ions which are present in the electrolytic solution, that copper plus 2 gain the 2 electrons is converted to copper. So this flow of electron is called electricity. So this cell is generate the electricity. So you remember the important point. Here electrons are flow from anodic part to cathodic part. That is called flow of electron. Flow of electrons means electricity. So this cell is generate the electricity. How much amount of electricity is generated uh, uh, represented in this voltmeter? 2 volts, 3 volts, 1.4 volts, 2 volts. How much amount of energy is generated? That is represented in this voltmeter. So this is the working principle. And after some time, both the options are both the options are for in this option zinc option. Zinc is totally converted into zinc plus 2. So it total this option is totally converted into positively charged option. So zinc is converted to zinc plus 2. It formed zinc plus 2 ions. So this copper plus 2 is converted to copper. So it requires only sulfate ions, negative ions. That means this half cell is totally converted into positively charged half cell. This half cell is totally converted into negatively charged um, half cell. Okay, this half cell is converted into totally positive charge. This half cell is totally converted to negative charge. So due to the accumulation of charges in the two solutions, prevent the further flow of electrons. Hence, the reactions in the cells are stopped if the salt bridge is not used. So, in this case, if it is in particular time, it is totally converted into positive, it is totally converted into negative. It does not generate the electricity due to the accumulation of charges. So, if you in this case, the salt bridge play an important role. Here, salt bridge play an important role. What is the role of this salt bridge? It prevents the physical mixing of two solutions but allows the ion from one half cell to another half cell. So, so here it is filled with this salt bridge is filled with KCl or ammonium nitrate gelatin.